alarming rise in global average temperatures has led to large-scale wildfires on the planet's lungs. Forests are very important for the future of life on Earth. Global environmental problems will only be solved if all countries work together. But indifference of the world to large-scale forest fires in Turkey, Greece, Spain, the United States and other countries in summer of 2021, one more time shows that the world is not interested in finding joint solutions for the environmental problems. Even several countries rejoiced over the fires in their neighborhood. But this kind of thinking is not characteristic for conscious human psychology. During natural disasters, especially during forest fires, states must put aside hostility and help each other to extinguish a deadly forest fires. Though forest fire is observed in one country, but the oxygen produced by the trees in that forest travel all over the world, because air, running water, rain know no bounds. The author is Ilham Mammadov.